I cannot even tell you how long I've been trying to get my license for. Probably like 4 years ago. I went tandem skydiving with my brother Molives. She's a picture right here. And I was like, holy, this is the greatest feeling in the world. Like, I have to keep doing this. Like, I knew at that moment that like this is definitely one of the things I wanted to do. So I just want to like have it, you know? So like anywhere I go, I can just like, I don't know, jump out of an airplane. Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here. Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Let's go, baby. Guys, today is the day I've been waiting for like 2 months. I'm finally getting my skydiving license. So I did all of my jumps. I did 25 jumps. I had to do a packing class. I had to learn how to pack a parachute. I had to jump that parachute. And now is the day for my final exam. So we're here in Z Hills, Florida. I'm accompanied by my lovely, lovely camera lady right here, whose name is
Delessi.
Delessi. Thank you so much.
No
I mean, you know, so she got a camera. I'm like, she could probably hold the camera for a sec, you know. Are you jumping today?
No, my husband is.
Oh, is he?
He
Nice.
just got his skydiving license last couple weeks ago.
Nice, nice. Guys, the vibes are so cool out here. Like, every skydiver, I don't know what it is. Like, I think there's just like a mutual understanding of like, I'm crazy, other skydivers are also crazy. Here we got tents, trailers. People are literally, they sleep here, they wake up, they jump out of airplanes, they go to bed, and then they do it all again the next day. And who do I see? I see my boy. You guys remember him from the first episode. My boy Paul, right? What's good, man? Today is my final exam today, man.
Right on, awesome.
And
good
you were the one that told me my initial, my first day when I came here, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
Good luck.
What's up, man?
What's
That's
happening?
good, dude. What's good, bro?
What's up, buddy?
Dude, it's time for the exam. Final exam time, man.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man. I am here for my final exam.
You know they just changed the rules, right? Or the USPA?
I've got to wait a week, yeah, if I fail,
They
right?
just changed it. If you didn't
Wait,
get
what?
the update, if you fail, 365 days for an A license.
Are you
Answer
being
sheet
serious?
here.
I don't know if you're
Does
just...
it look like I'm smiling?
It does not look like you're smiling.
Okay.
No. Okay.
All right, immediate fail if you write on this.
Okay.
Okay. This is your answer sheet here. Just bring this back when you've got that filled out. And no, it's 1 week.
There's so much ball busting going on around
Of course
here.
there is.
Oh, always. Not a ball busting, but here we go. Wish me luck. Woo.
Hey, let's go. Back. Yo, once again.
Yeah, one landed there,
Yonkers Road.
right there. And one
And take
here
that
about
till
to
it
land
either.
this path.
I
Damn.
can't tell if it right where it turns back to the east. Back in those trees, you should have 2.
And they have to go left.
Yeah.
They should see a little clearing on the right here. And then if they walk straight back, this is where this guy should be.
Well, more importantly, we got a sick selfie though, right? What's your name, bro?
Ryan.
You want to plug yourself?
Ryan Patrick.
Ryan Patrick?
Stay
Cool.
on Productions.
Stay up. Oh, okay. Bro, I just finished my A exam, so.
Congratulations. I bet you got it.
All right, bro.
Yeah, thank you,
We'll
sir.
see you out there,
Thank
man.
you, man.
This is like an overview shot of the entire area we're in right now. This is where we are. So when you're looking outside the plane, you want to look, make sure you see like the airport. They were coming back this way, so people were like getting out. I guess some people like landed over here in this area. I think I did get on my test though, but yeah, I did have a couple buddies that were on that plane, so hopefully everybody makes it back. Survey says.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm going to give you your answer sheet back and go over the questions that you missed with your instructor.
Okay.
And we'll see you in 7 days.
Yeah.
I missed 3, bro.
I missed
Good
3.
job. Good job.
Let's go, baby. Oh man. The stamp of approval.
license stamp. Boom.
Woo.
think it's official, but we also gotta get it on your forehead, buddy. So go ahead, let's do this.
Is that a thing?
That's a thing. Go ahead, remove the hat. No, it's a total thing. It's a skydiver tradition right here, buddy. Oh, boom! Hey, licensed skydiver. Guess who was here? Nice job, brother.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go make an announcement.
Oh, snap. Go.
Introducing Skydive City's newest A-licensed skydiver, Matthew Oliveira.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you,
proud
bro.
of you. How's it feel?
It feels amazing. It feels amazing. You know?
So you're a skydiver.
Licensed to be a psycho for the rest of my life. See all the ball busting? Look at this. And I owe beer. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. How could you tell? Is there anything that gave it away?
Oh, fuck, I can tell, man. Congratulations,
Hey,
bro.
thank you, my man. Thank you.
Bro.
Appreciate it.
The amen.
The amen.
Fuck yeah, man.
Thanks, bro.
One little step, way more to come.
What's up, bro?
What's the number?
You're on that last one?
Yeah.
Did you land out?
Oh yeah.
Where, like way down or where? This way?
There, yeah.
Sheesh, man.
Cow farm, no casualties, you know, made it back in one piece, might have scratches and bruises, but it's gonna be fucking A-okay, baby.
Bro!
Run you through it?
Are you okay?
I'm
Yes.
good, man. I'm
You're
pretty
good?
sick. Yeah, I landed in the next field. We got blown off course and yeah, had a nice little emergency landing, narrowed it. It was fucking fun, man.
Oh, it was fun?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Hey, well, at least you have the experience now. Where'd you land? Like a farm or something?
Very
Or a
next
tree?
field, there's like a paddock and a.
Yep, but
Man, I can't do this under
What?
pressure, man.
Did you make any friends out there? Cows? Chickens?
No, it's pretty lonely.
He's from Oz. He's from Oz. Alright.
Take it all, I feel good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight overseas and I still can't get across to you. Oh, last night I think I lost my patience last night. I got high as expectations last night. I came to realization and I hope you can take it. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.